Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your friends' hours played on your PlayStation 5. So press the PlayStation button, go to Game Base, and then go to your friends list and locate a friend under here. So let's locate someone and go to their name. So let's select this person, go to More, go to View Profile. And then if you go to Games, and then go down, you can see their most played games. Just go to the left and go to Sort by, Mutual Games, Last Played, Most Played. So we can go to most played games and we can compare it against our own profile. So this person played Black Ops 4, 798, and you can see mine is 1,189. And then we can go down and we can compare if we played that game or not. Looks like I did not play a lot of their games, but it's cool. You can see how much they have played. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.